Ready kita go?
Facing the wooden post in the middle and feed it over the cable. When you get to the metal plates, just line the gap up with the plate and it'll go over, and once it's past there it can't fit off the cable, so you're stuck on. And the only way off is if you walk all the way back to the start again or a zip line all the way, which is much easier than walking backwards. Okay, cool. So I'm going to grab a group of 2 here. You can connect on this side here for me.
Okay, what happens if someone...
To get them to move.
Yeah,
you can push them along. If someone gets stuck, I'll come help. Now I'm going to get everyone else, you guys can all connect over on this side here. And we'll stop at the base of the steps here. Yeah, so you 4 there, over on the far side. Okay, so as we make our way through the course today, guys, all of the staircases and bridges, we just want 1 person on them at a time. I'll head up first, then I'll call you up one by one to come and join me at the top.
Yeah,
okay?
Look,
Perfect, so just wait at the bottom. Alright, and we'll start over on the other side. Sorry, I'll get you guys to wait down the bottom for you as well, okay? 1, 2, 3. Lovely. Alright, so just 1 at a time on the bridge. So if you head over first, 3 times the age of the Amazon.
Wow.
Okay? Now, the key word in there is continuously living. So, you know, way back millions and millions and millions of years ago, the entire planet was covered in rainforest, all right? But in some other areas, as the climate's changed, we've had ice ages and things, it's completely disappeared, okay? And then at some point in time, in some areas, it might have come back, all right? The difference about this place is for those 120 to 200 million years, it's always been here in some form. As the climate's changed, it's just always been in the right place at the right time. So it might not have always looked like this. At certain times, it would have only been right up on the very tops of the mountains. Other times, it would have extended way out, like another 40 k's off the coast to the edge of the reef. So definitely changed a lot. But yeah, because we're so old and this place has managed to be around for such a long time, we got a lot of species here that you don't get anywhere else. It's incredibly biodiverse, so they reckon this is the most biodiverse land-based ecosystem on the entire planet. If you walk through about a hectare of this rainforest, you'd count more different species of trees than if you walked across the entire North American continent. It's pretty crazy, but as you look around, it starts making sense, you know. Look at this one tree we're attached to here. It's not just one tree, we've got all these other vines growing around it. Way up high, can you see that big basket-looking thing? It's called a basket fern. We're not very creative with our plant names here in Australia, or our animal names either, you know, red-belly blacksnake. And you guys can come on through 1 by 1, just making sure the person in front of you is out of the way before you go each time. If you're not sure, just look at me and I'll give you a thumbs up, all right? Now, when it's your turn, the first thing you're going to get to is this puzzle, okay? To get through, you need to push down the gate on the opposite side to where you're standing. So for everyone over this side, you'll push down this gate, then your hook will go through, and then it just goes sideways to get up onto the cable. And then opposite for you guys here, you'll push down this gate to get your hook through. Not yet. Now, once your hook's through, don't jump off. You'll get about 1 meter and then just stop. You won't get very far. You need some wheels. All right, so that's what this one's for, on the side of your harness. So it just lives on a magnet. So just pull it off to set it free. And it's going to go over the cable. You just lift it on and it'll just sit there like that. Once that's on, pick up your hook and it's going to go in the groove on top. Then you're going to put 1 hand over the top and 1 hand on the black strap underneath. And that's it, job done. From there, all you need to do is sit down. That's an easy one. Face the way you want to go and then lift your feet up. You'll make it all the way to the other side probably. Fingers crossed.
Only one.
Yeah, that's the hook.
Yeah, I can't be trusted. They had to give me an extra, but you just have 1 hook.
Just one? Yeah. One is enough.
Yeah, 1's enough for you guys. Awesome. So, yeah, if you don't make it all the way, nothing to worry about. All that's going to happen is you'll go backwards. You get an extra go. But yeah, if that does happen, if you go backwards, just grab on to the cable. That'll stop you from going all the way to the middle.
You can use the.
Yeah, and then you got two options there. The first option is to pull yourself to the end.
Oh.
The second option is just sit there and look at me and I'll come get you. You guys are on holidays. So I choose option 2 if I were you.
Talking about,
Yeah.
Stuck out the middle.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. That's what you do. Now, other than that, guys, please never put your hands on the cable any other time as you're moving along, okay? Especially not in front. It's going to really hurt. So just keep them in place. All right. Any questions before I go across? No? All right. I have faith in you all. You can go in whatever order you want. I don't mind. Whoever's feeling bravest to go first.
ও শুধু একটা ধরতে হবে বুঝছো দুইটা না একটা
রেডি
একটা
he did good job
সবগুলো ভিডিও করতে হবে না
should I go
you go for it মানে একটা করে আর এনজয় করো ক্যামেরা ঢুকায় রাখো
This should be here. Okay. Up to the other.
রিল্যাক্স এই ব্ল্যাকটা ধরবা
এটা
এটা এখানে সেট করো
এই তো ঠিক আছে না
এটা ধরবা
হ্যাঁ
এখানে ধরো এখানে
এখানে হ্যাঁ
আর ব্ল্যাকটা ধরো
এত কিছু নেই হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে রেডি দাও ঠেলা দাও
The ram.
yeah
Okay. Did you get it back? Yep. So from there you want to turn your hook that way. So you're turning the red strap under and away from you. Yep. Till it lines up with the plate and then
তাই এটা এই যে দাও আদা এখানে থাকে You did good job.
I'll get that open for you. There you are. So just walk through the gate there and your hook will slide off the end. That's it. Okay.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে টানো না 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 এখানে মাঝখান দিয়ে এই যে হ্যাঁ এখানে তুমি খুলে রাখো হ্যাঁ এই যে এখানে ফ্রি এই যে এখানে এই যে হাত সাবধান হ্যাঁ
একটু বৃষ্টি হলে ভালো লাগতো
Almost.
Oh, is he gonna? He just reached it.
Okay, good, let's go.
1, 2, 3.
I want to go back.
See the greenery.
I know.
So green.
Yeah.
Last one.
You have to.
তুমি যাও
Can I come?
Yeah, go. Last one.
তুমি তো প্রথমে ভয় পাচ্ছিলে আমাকে নিয়ে যে আমি ভয় পাই